How to create a temporary email address. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to create a temporary email address on your mobile phone. So after you open up your phone like this, now go and open up your Play Store or App Store. For this video, I'll use Play Store. I'm using Android. After you come to Play Store, just go ahead and type in this temp mail like this. After you search for temp mail, now go ahead and install this one. Here is the one that I'm using currently. Tap on it like this. Now go and install this one, temp mail / temporary email. So tap on this open button. So after you open the temp mail like this, now if you want to get temporary email address, you can use this application. So in this section, as you can see now, here it says your temporary email address. So you can tap on this option. As you can see now, here is it now. So this application will give you different email address for free to use it for your online activity. So now if I tap on this, as you can see now, this is the email address. If I tap on this copy now, I can now go ahead now and sign up for like website or something that I want to use the temporary email address with it. So now if you want to change the email address like this one, you don't want this one, you want to change it, you can tap on this change button. Here it says, are you sure you want to change? Tap on this change. So and wait for to update the changes. So as you can see now, after some seconds, now it changed the email address for me. So now I can copy this one and go ahead and sign up for another website like that I want to use on my online activity. If you get caught through this email address, if you want to see the code, you can tap on this option now, inbox. So under this inbox, now you can be able to see all the email address that you receive using this, as you can see now, using this email address that you provide. But mind you, if you lost this email address, you cannot recover it. Now if I tap on this change button, it says, are you sure? So now I change the email address. Now I cannot recover the email address that it changed for me. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out on how to get or how to create temporary